Welcome to this body scan meditation. Let's start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently and allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale fully through your mouth. One more deep breath in, holding it. And as you release the breath, allow your body to begin to settle and become still. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm and bring your attention to your body. Notice how your body feels in this moment. Pay attention to the weight of your body as it sits or lies in this space. Notice where your body makes contact on the surface beneath you. Your body may feel light or heavy. Maybe there's pressure or looseness. Whatever you notice, just try to observe it for a moment, without judgment. Now, pay attention to the top of your head. Simply observe this area. Notice what it feels like. Be curious. Maybe you feel your hair. There might be a sensation of warmth or coolness. Whatever you notice, just try to simply accept the sensations as you become aware of them. Now, bring your attention to your forehead. Notice any sensations. If you notice tension, maybe you can gently invite it to soften. If it doesn't, that's okay. Just observe. Now move down to your eyes and the muscles around them. Allow your eyelids to be soft. Move to your cheeks and your jaw. If your teeth are clenched, allow them to open loosely. Take a moment and allow the muscles of your face and head to relax. Now feel your neck and shoulders. If there's a tightness or a tension, try to imagine it melting away as you continue to breathe gently. Now bring awareness to your arms. Feel them resting gently, your biceps, elbows, forearms, wrists, and hands. If your hands are closed, maybe slowly open them and allow them to loosen. Now moving your attention to your upper back and chest. Feel your breath moving gently through you. Send warm thoughts of relaxation to these areas. Release any tension or tightness being held here. Just allow it to drift off. As you continue to breathe naturally and gently, bring awareness to your stomach and lower back. If you notice any sensations, try to be open and curious without judgment. Allow these areas to soften and relax. Now move your attention to your hips and pelvis. Feel the contact your body makes with the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to feel supported. Try to release any tension or stress in these areas. Now moving your attention to your thighs. Notice, are they warm, cold, or comfortable? Just observe for a moment. Allow them to loosen if they are tense. Now move to your knees. Then to your lower legs. If you notice tightness, allow the area to soften. Now moving to your ankles, then to your feet. Try to pay attention to the tops of your feet, your toes, and the soles of your feet. What do you notice here? Are they light or heavy? Warm? Cold? Continue to observe your feet without judgment. If you notice tightness, allow your feet to become loose and soft. Now, slowly and gently scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice how it feels as a whole. You may feel more relaxed, or maybe you feel just as you did before. Whatever is true for you is okay. Take one deep breath in, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Begin to bring awareness back to the room. Maybe wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.